In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload or submit a file with Google Forms. Google Forms is an incredibly useful tool for gathering information and responses efficiently. Whether you're conducting a survey, collecting feedback, or hosting a virtual event, being able to have participants submit files like documents or pictures can enhance your form's functionality significantly. Let's dive into the process to get you started with file submission in Google Forms. First, go to Google Forms. You can do this by simply typing Google Forms into your preferred web browser's search engine and clicking on the official Google Forms link. Alternatively, if you already have a Google account, you can access Google Forms directly through your Google Drive. This introduction helps you get familiar with navigating to the Google Forms platform, which is essential if you're new to using it. Once you've arrived at Google Forms, you'll have the opportunity to start with a blank form or choose from a variety of templates that Google offers. These templates are particularly helpful if you're unsure about how to structure your form or if you're looking for some design inspiration. For this tutorial, we'll begin with a blank form to give you a clear understanding of how you can add the file submission feature independently of any pre-existing content. After selecting your starting point, you'll need to give your form a title. This is a crucial step as it helps respondents understand the purpose of the form right from the outset. If you're gathering data for a specific project or event, make sure your title reflects that clearly. You can also add a form description to provide additional context or instructions for your respondents. Now, to allow file uploads, you'll add a question to your form. Click on the plus icon on the sidebar to add a new question. You can ask something like, "Please upload your file here." Then, change the question type to File Upload. Google Forms may prompt you with a message informing you that respondents will be required to sign in with a Google account to upload files. This is primarily for security and storage reasons, ensuring that all submissions are kept safe and organized. In the settings for the file upload question, you have several options. You can choose the maximum number of files that a respondent can upload. Additionally, you can set a size limit for those files, accommodating either smaller documents or larger presentations and videos. It's also possible to specify the types of files that users can submit, which can be helpful if you're looking for specific formats like PDFs or JPEGs. Before sharing your form, it's wise to run a test submission. Simply enter some information as a mock respondent would, and try uploading different file types to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. This practice step is invaluable in identifying potential issues before your form reaches your audience. Once you're satisfied with how everything is set up, you can proceed to share your form. Click the Send button located at the top right corner of the screen. Google Forms allows you to either send the form via email, copy a shareable link, or even embed the form into a web page. Choose the method that works best for your intended audience. And with that, you're ready to start collecting file uploads through Google Forms. It's an efficient and straightforward tool that can significantly enhance the way you gather information. Keep exploring its various features to make the most out of your forms.